He reached out to me, wanted to do a little comparison with your Compulsion and Madness, and I'm like, of course I'm down, let's do it. Alright, another day, another shift knob. Got 4 of these bad boys from racing. So we're just gonna go on a cruise. My intake air temps were pretty high. I just pulled out of the driveway, so they're actually dropping already because I had the car on for a while. I have the interior mic on, which is what you're listening to right now. I then have the exhaust mic'd up, and I have the engine mic'd up. And then I have a camera over here. I have no clue if it's gonna work proper to pick up the speedo and everything. I might not even use it. I really gotta see how it's gonna work. So we're just gonna go on a cruise. This is still phase 2 stock turbo. I haven't done a mic'd up thing like this in a while. So that's all we're gonna do. That's not even full throttle. I know the throttle sensitivity with the tune is more aggressive, but that wasn't even full throttle in those 3rd, 4th, and 5th gear pulls. The car just feels really good today. So we're in 5th gear at like 3,500, let's say. And again, that's not full throttle. I'm just kind of easing into it. I gotta see what the hell to do with this. So the other thing I want to talk about real quick is this phone mount, which I've been using for a very long time. I'm actually going to put my phone on there, and you guys are going to see during this drive how good it stays.
What mount is that? I gotta get that mount you got.
It's off Amazon. It's fucking awesome. It holds really damn good. I got the magnet behind the phone case, and this does not move. Like, I've launched it with this on. It does not move at all. I have a magnet behind my case, and all I do is put it right there, and it like hits, it leans against this. So there's no way for it to fall, and you can do it the other way too. Put it like this, you know, there's no way, it doesn't move. It's perfect. So if you're interested in that, I'm gonna have a link below. I just wanted to put it on during this drive so you can see even during more spirited driving, going over some bumps and everything, the phone will not budge. I've never had it fall on me once. So I'll keep it like this because I know sometimes I like keeping it like that. It just allows this to be completely visible. apologize. This windshield is probably disgusting. The car really needs a good cleaning, a good washing. It's sitting outside for a while, so it's pretty damn dirty. So this might be one of the last PO drive videos before I go 1446 plus with the phase 3 air compulsion tune. But who knows, I've been putting it off for a while, so who knows, I might put it off a little bit more. I'm waiting for another 124 Spider owner who's going full out Madness Auto Works. He's going with their, what do you call, box tune or whatever it's called, power box something, intake, exhaust, and I don't know, coils, all this other stuff. So he reached out to me, wanted to do a little comparison with the air compulsion and Madness, and I'm like, of course I'm down, let's do it. So once he's done, I think he's gonna be coming over here to Jersey, and we'll do some data testing with his car and my car together. That's obviously gonna be stock turbo. That's why I'm not putting the 1446 plus on just yet. Oh, and he also has a air compulsion V1 intake that he's gonna be giving away completely free. He's gonna allow me to host a giveaway for it. So I now have a lot of products I'm doing a giveaway for. This is a brand new air compulsion V1 intake. The V1's actually pretty nice. The V4 is probably best for maximum power. The V2 is probably better for sound. But the V1, I would maybe say it's probably better for power than the V2 just because it's still the enclosed box. It uses the factory box, has an upgraded filter, and then it has the piping. So that I'm gonna be doing a free giveaway for, valued at, I forget, 100 and change or 200 and change. The Forge atmospheric blow valve, which is like 250 or something. Redline good shift boots, both the e-brake boot and the manual shift boot. That's gonna fit a 124 Spider and an ND Miata. All those are coming soon. I'm just kind of waiting until I get close to that 1,000 subscriber mark. So thank you to everyone who has subscribed. If you haven't, please consider that. Wow, so that's the first time I saw that. This GoPro, which this one's the let me shut off that. This is the GoPro 8, the newer one. It just said camera too hot, and it shut off. It said it's shutting off because it's too hot. That's crazy. I had the AC on for a little bit. I'm obviously turning it off when I'm doing my pulls. Hopefully this one over here is still recording. So I just turned it back on. I have no clue. I don't even know what setting it's in or whatever. We'll see what happens. got one more little pull in. Hopefully the camera turned back on and worked properly. I think that's enough abuse and fun for one day in the car. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this with the mic'd up sounds and everything. If you did, give it a like, comment below, subscribe if you haven't. Thanks to everyone who has. All that stuff helps the algorithm, it helps the channel. Greatly appreciate everyone who does support the channel. Pretty soon, like I said, I'll be having all those giveaways. We have the intake that's coming in now, the blow-off valve, the shift brake boots and all that stuff, e-brake boots and all that. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't. Really appreciate it. It really helps the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.